Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out the Tramontina 3-piece induction cooking system for the camper van. This is a 1500 watt portable induction cooktop that comes also with a 4-quart covered universal pan. 1500 watts, adjustable obviously, and we're going to test it out and we're going to measure the difference between a cast iron cooktop versus the piece that comes with it. And we'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, we measure out at just under 11 and a half, about 11/3 wide. We are 14 3/4 deep, just under 2.5. We've got the dial setting here. You can go from 1 to 10, or you can do it by temperature, on off, pretty simple. All right, now for the test, I'm going to start off with 4 cups of water. So the starting temperature of the water is 67 degrees. And for the first test, I'm going to do a 10-inch cast iron. Obviously, we're not going to usually heat water in cast iron. I'm just going to do a test between the cast iron versus the stainless steel pan that comes with the unit. All right, so here we go. So I'm pouring in the water. And we'll start the timer. All right, so we're going to get started with the test. What I'm doing now is I've got a ThermoWorks chef alarm that I'm going to be able to measure the temperature and watch it. And into the sending unit, I've got it just touched into the water right here. Not touching the bottom of the pan, but I don't want to skew the temperature results and get a temperature reading of the pan. So we're going to come here, we're going to turn on the unit. And then we're going to select see a measurable result already quickly. Missed a few seconds, but that's okay. We are just over 4 minutes. We're already starting to get some boiling at the surface of the pan. Temperature reading right now at 4 minutes was 172 degrees Fahrenheit. And again, this is 4 cups of water or 1 liter of water, running it on the Tramontina 1500 watt induction cooktop at a temperature setting of number 10 or 425 degrees. We just crossed 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We're at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at 6 minutes and 199 degrees, just crossed over. Not quite at a full boil at the surface yet. Okay, so we just hit 210 at 7 minutes and 45 seconds. We're on a good rolling boil now. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the test using the stainless steel cooktop with the same amount of water and all the conditions the same. Be right back. Okay guys, now we're back. So I completely cooled the surface of the induction cooktop just so it wouldn't give us a false reading. We've got a starting water temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, 4 cups of water, and this time it's going to be in the stainless steel container. Got a power setting of 10, and we'll be back as soon as it hits 210. Alright guys, we hit 200 degrees just about 6 minutes and 45 seconds. So actually not that much faster than the cast iron 10-inch pan. We'll keep going. 8 minutes and 45 seconds at 2:09. Looks like we're going to be close to 9 minutes to hit 210 using the stainless steel. So far, this has shown us that the cast iron skillet actually is either a better insulator and also able to magnetize better, maybe with the induction cooktop technology. We're hovering right at 208. We've got our water sensor, temperature gauge inside the water perfectly at the same place. 2:09, there we go, 9 minutes, 30 seconds. 2:10, 9 minutes and 36 seconds to reach the same 210 temperature in the stainless steel. So folks, if you want to use cast iron, use cast iron. I also tested the Instant Pot that came with it, and at least with my 3-quart pot, it is not, I guess, able to use on this cooktop. It is not magnetic, so you cannot use that. So thought we could, can't. So I'll have to get another one for a skillet for day-to-day use. See you guys.